Om Shanti. 15th August 2021. English Avyakt Murli. Revised date 3rd March 1988. Topic is how to celebrate Holi and bring about permanent transformation. Today the Father, the bestower of fortune for all, has come to celebrate the Holi of the jewels of knowledge with his holy swans. To celebrate means to celebrate a meeting. Bap Dada is always pleased to see all of the extremely loving, easy yogi, holy children, those who constantly cooperate in Baba's task. Those who are transforming the world with their pure attitude and pure vision. The great souls of today are also praised as being pure, but you elevated souls become holy in the highest way. That is, any impurity, even in thoughts or dreams, will not bring your pure attitude and drishti down from its pure stage. Because every thought is pure, that is because the consciousness is pure, your attitude and vision automatically become pure. Not only do you become pure, but you also purify matter. This is why when matter is pure, you receive pure bodies for innumerable births in the future. Therefore, you become such holy swans, that is, elevated souls who constantly have pure thoughts. The highest on high Father makes you into those with such elevated lives in every way. This purity is the highest purity. It is not ordinary. Ordinary pure souls will accept you as great pure souls and will bow in front of you and say, your purity is extremely elevated. Householders of today, because they consider themselves to be impure, bow their heads to the pure souls, considering them to be great. However, they will accept that there is a great difference between the purity of you elevated pure souls and their purity. This festival of Holi is the memorial of the method of purification of you pure souls, because all of you number-wise pure souls burn impurity for all time in the fire of love in Baba's remembrance. This is why you first celebrate the Holi of burning. You then celebrate the Holi of being colored, that is the Holi of celebrating a meeting. To burn something means to finish all name and trace of it. If people want to finish all name and trace of something, what do? They burn it. This is why after killing Ravan, they burn him. This memorial of you souls is the burning of impurity. That is, you became pure, holy. Bap Dada always says that for Brahmins to celebrate Holi means to become holy. So check, have you simply killed impurity or have you burnt it? It is possible for someone who has died to come alive. The life remains hidden somewhere or other. However, to burn something means to finish all name and trace of it. How far have you become? You have to check this for yourselves. Do you not? The hidden life of impurity should not come back alive, even in dreams. Such a soul is known as an elevated pure soul. Even dreams can be transformed with a thought. Today, Bap Dada was seeing in the subtle regions the promises made by the children from time to time in their thoughts and in writing. Whether one is a Maharathi in one's stage or a Maharathi in doing service, both make very good promises from time to time. There are two types of Maharathi. One is to be a Maharathi on the basis of the efforts you make to attain blessings or the inheritance. The other is to become a Maharathi on the basis of one speciality or other that you have in doing service. Although both are called Maharathis, the first variety you heard about are that on the basis of their stage, they always swing in the swing of supersensuous joy in their minds, in the swing of contentment and the swing of being embodiments of love received from everyone's heart. The second variety are Maharathis on the basis of their specialities in doing service through their bodies, that is, superficially, they appear to be embodiments of the fruit of contentment. Due to their speciality in doing service, their minds are content with the support of service. Due to their speciality of serving, there will be love from everyone, but not constantly, either in their minds or in their hearts. Sometimes it will be superficial and sometimes in their hearts. However, speciality in serving makes them Maharathis. They are counted in the line of Maharathis. Therefore, today, Bapdada was seeing the promises of both the Maharathis and the effort makers. Only recently you made many promises. What did Baba see? There is benefit in making a promise because you are giving full attention to determination. A promise that is remembered again and again brings power. Although due to this, there is a little transformation, the seed still remains buried. This is why after a certain time or when a situation arises, because the buried seed receives the water of situations and reasons, its leaves begin to emerge once again. It does not finish for all time. So Bapdada was seeing who celebrated the Holi of burning. When a seed is burnt, a burnt seed never bears fruit. Everyone made promises. We will let the past be the past for whatever has happened up to now, whether to ourselves or to others. We will finish everything and bring about transformation. Everyone recently made promises. You all make promises in your heart-to-heart conversations with Baba. Do you not? Bapdada has a record of each one. Promises are made in very beautiful forms, some in songs, some in poetry, and some in pictures. Bapdada was seeing why transformation does not take place as much as you wish. What is the reason for this? Why does it not finish for all time? What was seen was that you have a thought for yourself and others that you will not allow that weakness to emerge again. For others, you think that you will transform whatever clashes you have with them in thoughts, words, or deeds due to sanskars or due to the settling of karmic accounts with them. However, why does it repeat from time to time? The reason for this is that you think that by knowing the sanskars of a certain soul, you will keep yourself safe in the future and have good wishes and pure feelings. The habit of seeing, hearing, and imbibing the weaknesses of others has become natural and has been there for a long period of time. If you do not have this habit, that is very good, but you do not pay constant attention as to what you should see instead or what you should imbibe from that soul. You remember that you must not do a particular thing, but you do not pay natural attention instead to what you should think, see, or do for other souls. Therefore, although you clear a place, if it is not used in a good way, dirt and mosquitoes collect in that empty space, because the dirt, dust and mosquitoes that are already in the atmosphere gradually begin to increase, for the space is not being used. Whenever you come into connection with souls, Let elevated thoughts of natural transformation first enter your consciousness because you are already knowledgeful. Everyone's virtues, task, sanskars, service, the space and pure sanskars of transformation are always full, and so the impure will automatically finish. You heard previously as well as that when some children sit in remembrance or when they practice having remembrance in Brahmin life, as they move along, although they experience peace in remembrance, they do not experience happiness. The experience of just peace sometimes make the head heavy or sometimes sends you to sleep. When you are in a peaceful state, you do not experience happiness. Therefore, when there is no happiness, there is no zeal and enthusiasm. Even whilst having yoga, those souls are not content with themselves. The souls remained tired. They are always in the mood of thinking, why am I not happy? There is no reason for this as well. You only think I am a soul, a dot, an embodiment of light, and that Baba is also the same. However, what sort of a soul am I? What are the specialities of myself, the soul? I am a multi-million times fortunate soul. I am a soul of the original creation. I am a soul who is claiming Baba's heart throne. You don't think of these specialities that bring happiness. Simply to think I am a dot, I am light, an embodiment of peace, takes you, a soul, into the stage of nil, that is emptiness. This is why your head becomes heavy. Therefore, when you have the determined thought for transformation in yourself and others, you must constantly keep that pure, elevated thought and speciality emerged, and transformation will then take place. You think this one is like this anyway, he does this anyway, this is bound to happen like this. Instead of that, think this one is special according to his speciality, just as you think this and that about the weakness. In the same way, think this and that about the elevated stage and specialities. Bring this about now. Transform your consciousness, form, attitude and drishti. See yourself in this form and also see others in this form. This is known as having filled the space and not leaving it empty. Celebrate the holy of burning in this way. Don't ever think like this about yourself or others. You see, I knew this one wasn't going to change. At that time, ask yourself, have I changed? Self-transformation will also bring about the transformation of others in front of you. Let each of you first think, let me be an example of having changed first. This is known as the burning of holy. There is no celebration without burning. It is the burning that takes place first, because once you have burnt it, you have become clean, elevated and pure, and such souls automatically and constantly remain colored with the company of the Father. Such souls constantly celebrate the auspicious meeting with Baba and all souls. Auspicious means that they celebrate a beneficial, elevated and pure meeting. Do you understand? Are you going to celebrate such a holy? When there is zeal and enthusiasm, every moment is a festival. So, celebrate in great happiness. Play, eat and enjoy yourselves, but always be holy and continue to celebrate a meeting. Acha. To those who are constantly congratulated by the Father with blessings at every second, to those who are congratulated by every Brahmin with good wishes, to those who are extremely elevated, pure souls, to the souls who are constantly colored by the company, to the souls who constantly celebrate a meeting with the Father, Bapdada's love, remembrance and namaste. We such spiritual children extend our love, remembrance, say good morning, namaste, and thank you to the spiritual Bap Dada. Blessings spoken by Bap Dada in personal meetings. Number 1. Do you constantly experience yourselves to be souls who stay under the canopy of protection of the Father's remembrance? The canopy is the means of safety. What would happen if you were to step outside this canopy even in your thoughts? A Ravan would carry you away and sit you in the cottage of sorrow. So you don't want to go there. Always stay in the experience that you are a loving soul who constantly remains under the canopy of the protection of Father. With this experience, constantly become powerful and continue to move forward. Number 2. Do you constantly experience yourself to be a soul merged in Bap Dada's eyes? What would be the form of a soul who is merged in the eyes? What is in the eyes? A point, that is pupil. The capacity to see is in the pupil. So, to be merged in the eyes means to experience yourself to be constantly stable in the point form. Do you have this experience? This is called being the light of the eyes. So constantly continue to make yourself move forward with this awareness. Always maintain the intoxication. I am a soul who is the light of the eyes. Blessing. May you be a master's son of knowledge and make an impact on all souls with your spiritual attitude. Explanation. Something attractive attracts everything near to itself and everyone's attention is drawn to it. In the same way, when your attitude is alaukic and filled with spirituality, the impact of that will automatically influence many souls. An alaukic attitude means the stage of being loving and detached automatically attracts souls. Such alaukic and powerful souls become master sons of knowledge and spread their light everywhere. Slogan. Always remain set on your seat of self-respect and all your powers will accept your orders. Om Shanti. Notice, today is the third Sunday of the month, the International Yoga Day. All Baba's children to sit for meditation from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Become a special master bestower of liberation. Become liberated from the bondages of the old body, the old world, old nature and sanskars, and do the service of blessing everyone with blessings of liberation and liberation in life. Om Shanti.
मैंने तो बरसों की है तपस्या, दूर करूंगी मैं जग की समस्या। आत्मा समझो तो जग खेल है, प्रभु प्रिया से यही मेल है। काम क्रोध की होली जलाए, काम क्रोध की होली जलाए। नरसिंह उनका ये अवतार है, शिव प्रिया साथ है मोरे, शिव प्रिया साथ है, शिव प्रिया साथ है।
बाप दादा की आश, पावर ऑफ सकाश। जॉइन पावर ऑफ सकाश राइट नाउ। हमारा व्हाट्सएप नंबर है 8770659619। नंबर पुनः नोट कीजिए 8770659619। याद रहे यह नंबर केवल मैसेजेस के लिए है। यदि अभी तक आपने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो पावर ऑफ सकाश मधुबन के इस चैनल को जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को भी ज़रूर प्रेस करें ताकि जो भी महारथियों के द्वारा वेबिनार्स, योग भट्ठी या अन्य प्रोग्राम्स हो रहे हैं आप उनका लाभ घर बैठे उठा सकें।